Let's fill out the California ATV bill of sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the ATV and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the ATV, the make and model and the year. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the ATV. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. If you're selling or buying an ATV in California, here's what you need to know about the bill of sale. First, California requires a bill of sale under Vehicle Code Section 1652, so make sure you have one ready. The bill of sale needs to identify the vehicle clearly, so include the seller's information and enough detail to describe the ATV. When it comes to signatures, both the buyer and the seller need to sign. The seller signs on line 1 of the California Certificate of Title, and both parties sign the odometer disclosure form as well. Speaking of the title, you'll need a California Certificate of Title to complete the transfer. If there's a lien holder involved, both the buyer, seller, and lien holder will need to sign off to release that lien. You'll also want to include the sale price on your paperwork, since it helps establish the chain of ownership. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.